Hello everyone, I'm Amy. I'm happy to welcome you to my channel Amy Forex and to the 7th lesson of the 24-lesson course. I'm a professional trader with over 5 years of experience and an annual income of over $1 million. Trading has allowed me to move to Dubai and live the life of my dreams. I am also the founder of a successful Forex trading robot that you can connect to for free right now. The trading robot makes trades based on AI and self-learning and brings 15 to 50% monthly profit depending on the amount of deposit. Follow the link in the description, click on Start, and I will connect it to you absolutely free of charge. Based on my professional experience, I've created and recorded 24 lessons. These lessons will turn an absolute beginner into a professional trader. The first 12 lessons are the basics that anyone who wants to start making money in Forex needs to know. You can watch them for free on my YouTube channel. The second part of the course is for those who are in need of more in-depth professional knowledge. It's for those who dream of making trading their main source of income, but don't yet understand how. The second part of the course is the real toolbox, the secret sauce of every professional trader. It is in the second part that there is unique information and detailed explanations of complex strategies that will lead you to a wealthy life. Study each lesson carefully and follow the link in the description and click Start to access the second part of the course, the secret sauce. Do one simple thing and I'll send you the secret sauce lessons. This is life-changing information. After my course, you will be earning sums that you could never have dreamed of before. And now is the time for learning. Forex trades are carried out from different time zones all over the world, so the market is open 24 hours a day, giving traders the freedom to choose when to work. But is it truly active and profitable all 24 hours? No. In this lesson, you will learn when the best market hours of the day are for trading, which day of the week is the most productive, and which trading sessions are considered to have the most potential. 3 golden nuggets of Forex timing. Busiest session. The busiest session of all is the London-Europe session. 30% of all trades happen during this session. Session overlapping. The best hours for trading are during the overlapping of the major sessions. The most important one, London and New York. The most active days. The most active time of the week is from Tuesday to Thursday. Best times of day for trading. The most active trading sessions are in London and New York, so the highest market liquidity is when these sessions overlap, as both continents are online and actively trading with each other. This creates big fluctuations in currency prices, opening more notable opportunities for making gains. Keep in mind that during the last minutes of London session, the currency swings can become quite chaotic and thus harder to predict. The opening of London session is also very active and lucrative as it overlaps with the ends of Tokyo session. The third major overlap happens between the Sydney and Tokyo sessions. Still, this time is less liquid than the London-New York sessions as it's late evening or night in the rest of the world. Best days of the week for trading. Now you know when you should be watching or reading the daily news from around the world and when to analyze the charts. As shown in the picture above, businesses are coming back from the weekend, so the week starts out at a slower pace. But it doesn't mean you can't trade on Mondays. The most active days are in the middle of the week, usually Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Fridays are usually active only during the first half of the day. On Fridays, the last hours of the day can sometimes be chaotic, so it's best to avoid trading then. When not to trade Forex? There are 2 main characteristics of bad timing: low activity in the market, chaotic direction of trades. Low activity. An inactive, often called thin market offers smaller movements of rates, thus smaller potential profits. Chaotic markets. A good example of chaotic trading is around and during important news events. In these times of uncertainty, the currency rates can swing wildly and unpredictably, thus messing up trading by creating execution lags, triggering stop-loss orders, and so on. So here are some examples of when you should be at least careful when trading. Now let me show you the difference between trading in different trading sessions. You can now see the different sessions on your screen: AO Asia Open, LO London, and also New York. The purple color is the opening of the New York session, and the pink rectangle is the closing of the London session. You can see the rotation of the sessions. The Asian session closes, the London session opens, then the New York session opens, then the London session closes. KZ is the kill zone. So you do not see the length of the sessions, but the period are used for trading. This period is the most favorable because during this period, the market maker does the main work with liquidity. What does it look like? Basically, in the Asian session, the price always trades in a sideways trend. Either it is sideways or not the volatile movement you see on the screens. You can see that the price went sideways after the end of yesterday's session. Despite the volatile movements, it's all one range. I trade mainly in the London session, sometimes in the New York session. Trading on the euro-dollar pair is the base. It is the main pair in the market. After the Asian session, at the opening of the London session, there's a lot of liquidity from the Asian areas. You can see that the price reaches the top and reverses sharply. After the London session closes, at the opening of the New York session, there's usually a liquidity build-up. After that, it's either a trend extension or a reversal. The next day, in the Asian session, there was no volatile movement. After that, in the London session, there was a liquidity collection in the Asian sideways trend. After that, there was a reversal. And already in the New York session, liquidity work. The price collects liquidity from the bottom and goes up. And another example in the Asian sideways trend, after the London session closes, notice what happens during the New York session: a sharp drop in price. At the same time, there was no movement during the London session. And then you see the next day. You have already noticed that during the Asian session, there's always sideways trending. The chart looks the same. Then the liquidity is withdrawn from the Asian sideways trend and the price rises during the London session. Then the London session ends and the price rises again during the New York session. And at the closing of the London session, the chart looks similar to the closing of the previous session. This was the 7th lesson, and now you're one step closer to your dream of financial independence. I'm sure you will find these lessons very useful. And to get the full access to all 24 lessons, follow the link in the description and press start. And the sooner you do it, the faster you will get rich. Watch my next lesson in the playlist Amy Forex Mentorship: How to Become a Professional Forex Trader. Everything I talk about, I have tested with my own experience, and I know for sure that all my strategies and tips work. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. See you in the new videos.